Peace, brothers and sisters. This is Brother Safari. I'm down with Africa for the Africans and the collective conscious. We're about to embark upon the future of going to Ghana to put up an eco-village. Solar, wind, geothermal, self-sufficient society. But most important that we're doing off of that is creating our own economics. We're going to sew our own socks, make our own shoes, make our own shirts, own pants. We want to pretty much make anything and everything that we use. Now this is going to take a little bit of time and effort, but you can check into it right here in the States. There's over $1.2 trillion that the black man makes here, the black man, black woman makes here in America. But we only use 2% of that. We give all of that money back to the same people that oppresses us, that mistreats us, that takes advantage of us. So I ask anybody looking at this video, take a look at yourself, whether you're in Chicago, LA, New York, Miami. Why do you wear those Jordans? Is Jordan doing anything for your community? Why do you wear those Reeboks? Why do you wear anything that you are wearing? Louis Vuitton, Gucci? Do they do anything for your neighborhood? That is a big question. That's pretty much the nucleus of what I want to say. This is a short video. Please keep in mind, we got up the Gold Fund now for Africa for the Africans. We want you to take a look at all of our videos. There's links to it. We need donations. When Brother Bumani goes over, he's going over in May, but when he goes over in November, we want him to purchase the land. We want to go over there, 10, 20 of us, to build on that land, to make the society. We need celebrities. We need somebody to come out and be that that unicorn and make a big investment or donation. Let's support our own black love.